Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll guide you through how to change the passcode in YouTube Kids on Windows. Let's get started. To start, open your web browser and visit the YouTube Kids website. Look for the icon at the top right corner and click on it. Next, enter your current passcode. If you don't remember it, you can click on the Forget Passcode to recover it. Once you are in, scroll down until you find the option to change passcode. Click on that, then enter your current passcode once again for verification. Now, type in the new passcode you want to use and confirm it. Once done, the new passcode will be saved and active immediately. That's all there is to it, guys. Changing your YouTube Kids passcode is quick and simple. If this helped, please smash the like button and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.